Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Geraldine De La Cruz. I am 32 years old. I am single. I am high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for my future and for my future needs.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am and sir. I have work experience in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 4 months.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
I cook, I clean, and I take care of the baby and all the household chores.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, ma'am and sir. I take care of infant baby, 3 months old.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
I help them to feed, baby bathing, and sterilizing their bottle.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
My skills is I can cook Filipino dishes, and I want to learn also the Chinese food in the future.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
The necessary traits for a good domestic helper is trustworthy, honest, and hardworking.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hi, Madam and Sir. Please choose me as your domestic helper because I am honest, trustworthy, and hardworking. See you soon, Madam and Sir, in Hong Kong.